Hi, are you looking for a refrigerator that is not only smart but is designed to give a modern touch to your lifestyle too? Well, look no further. LG's stunningly stylish side-by-side refrigerator with smart inverter compressor is the perfect choice to enhance the look of your home. Its flat door design makes it practical, sophisticated and seamless, adding to the beauty of your kitchen, while the metallic decoration gives the refrigerator a timeless and premium feel. LG's side-by-side doors not only have a modern and minimalist design that rejuvenate your kitchen space, but also provide you with a big capacity that fits all your food in and cut down the trips to the supermarket. What's more, LG's Smart Diagnosis is a fast and easy way to troubleshoot issues. Simply call the LG customer service helpline and place the phone on the appliance. The appliance then communicates with a computer that produces a diagnosis within seconds and provides an immediate solution. LG's Express Freezing increases both ice making and freezing capabilities. When activated, the freezer section runs at the coldest temperature to increase ice production. And the digital temperature sensors in LG refrigerators monitor both internal and external temperatures for temperature consistency, which helps maintain the quality of the food for longer. This refrigerator also comes with a 10-year warranty on Smart Inverter Compressor, which only makes it more reliable. So give your home and lifestyle a touch of class and style with LG's side-by-side refrigerator.